News is Ron says it's supposed to be nice weather-wise for that.
And rain actually is what we're talking about this morning, but Ron was saying they cover up that dirt. They take care of it, right?
No muddy.
That's the holy grail out there. So they're going to make sure that things are good there. Let's talk about your weather here, because we do have some severe storms that have been rumbling just north of I-80. You can see a little bit of that right there. We're going to continue to see at least a storm chance both today and tomorrow. A lot of energy for any storms that get going to really tap into. So large hail is going to be really the biggest concern, along with gusty wind on the leading edge and a lot of lightning as well in each one of these cells that are coming in. Nothing severe right now from what I'm showing you up just on north of I-80, just north of the Findlay area, up into Mercer and Venango County, kind of northern parts of those communities. It's raining. It is coming down, cats and dogs basically right now with the rain showers that we're seeing off to the north. We're going to continue to watch this. This is expected to finally at some point, more than likely after 7 o'clock, move south of I-80 and have an impact at least from Pittsburgh to the north. Some data even showing it all the way down south of I-70. Right now, we're just not seeing any evidence of that, but we're waiting, and we'll continue to watch things. And even if we don't see any severe weather south of I-80 this morning, we'll continue to have the severe weather risks that will be in place. Upper low, look at just how far away this upper low is. It's causing us, and we're going to see each one of these bands that comes off of this upper low will be enough to trigger those severe storms. So we have the severe storm risks right now. We'll have it all the way through your day. In fact, we're a level 2 out of 5 when it comes to severe weather. Scattered storms expected both today and tonight. Destructive wind, large hail, the biggest concern or the biggest issue that we have at this point. This is going to be scattered in nature, so you're going to see those lines that I'm drawing from Pittsburgh. The red line, yellow line is Clarion, and then I'm taking you to the Morgantown area that's blue. You can see that each one of these lines is pretty different, and the reason for that is because the nature of these storms is going to be fairly scattered. It'll be very scattered to isolated when they do develop. So no big line that just kind of rolls through. These will be kind of scattered in nature that we're going to see. Some of this is going to happen this morning. We'll see some this afternoon as another band slides through from the upper low, even into the late evening hours and overnight. Some large hail will be possible, and we'll continue this through Saturday. And this particular model, the reason I'm showing it, this is the NAM 3-kilometer, is because it also picks up on some fairly stormy conditions as the cold front comes through tomorrow at around 4:30 or 5 o'clock. As Monster Jam is getting going, hopefully these are out of there at that point. But even afterwards, this model continues to try to show some light rain as the cooler air starts to roll in on Sunday. 71 temperature right now, winds out of the southwest at 8 miles an hour. Let me get over to your 7-day and just talk to you about that. We'll be into the mid-80s today. Temperatures probably just shy of 80 degrees for a high on Saturday. That 84 today, 1 o'clock, 81 degrees. Your 4 o'clock temperature right there in 84 degrees. And we will stay on the cool side heading into next week, both Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And look at Thursday, guys, 60 for a high temperature. Not very spring-like, cool one, taking us into the back end of next week.
Somebody's going to complain it's too cold.